Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope everyone is doing good. Well guys, I came back from my college just right now, and then I'm planning to show you my evening daily routine, what I used to do after coming back from my college. I came back from my college just right now, and right after coming back from my college I'm doing this video. And also I haven't changed my dress, I haven't changed my uniform, and see, all my dress is wet. Can you see? My dress is wet. Even my hair is wet. These days in Tuensang, it's raining so much. That's why all my dress is wet. Even now it's raining. Anyway, today I'll show you what I will do, and this video will be a very simple vlog. But I hope you guys will like it. So now I'll change my dress, and then I'll see you. Okay? See, all my dress is wet. My hair, uy. Okay. I'll do like that. Okay, done. Now, let's go to my kitchen. There's my slipper. See guys, the weather condition these days. See the weather conditions of Tuensang. Always foggy, and then always raining. As you can see, it's raining heavily. It's raining so much. Hey guys, it's raining so much outside. Can you hear? Sound it's raining so much. Anyway, in evening or in morning, I used to make fire first. Everyone used to do that, right? We used to make fire first. After that, I used to make tea. Right after the tea only, I used to start my work. Okay, so even today we will do like that. Yeah, I will do like that. So guys, here we get firewood. Okay, itu jelawo aja dah. I've already done making fire, so we are facing water problems also, and it's lucky for me that it's raining na. It's lucky for me it's raining. So moi pani logi na rakhi diwori. I'm already done making tea, and now I'm going to drink with biscuit. And also, our firewood is not good. So as you can see, tungado bishi round grills. My hair and my front hair is disturbing me a lot, so I'm planning to use this hairband. I'm going to wear this hairband right now. Oh. I will round my hair like that. See, I have a lot of baby hair, okay? I have a lot of baby hair. See? I think it will be better if I work like that. And take 시간 쏙 들라이디고 before cooking rice and curry. Guys, here I am right now. I've already done itu tekshikando tulai katamoshi aro for today curry. I'm planning to cook these beans, and then beans, and then kuno to biaoshe like this one. From here though, we will take only seed like that. So kuno ba do inaga kunna lowo. For today curry, I'm planning to boil these beans, and then I'm going to fry potato. I'm going to fry potato and rice. Only that's it. And I will show you like cooking of rice curry and all today, because in my video you guys are always seeing me doing the same video again and again. So if I do that video even today, then I think you guys may feel bored na. So after I done all my household chores like cooking curry and then rice, now I'll see you. I'm back. And I've already done all my household work and already done cooking all. So now I'm planning to wash up. I'm going to wash my hair right now. I'm going to wash my hair, so I'm going to use this shampoo now. This is conditioner. I mean, this one is conditioner and this one is shampoo. Shampoo, okay, you can see shampoo and then conditioner. So I'm going to use this right now. Oh, it's only 5 rupees, okay? It costs only 5 rupees.
So now I'll wash my hair. So let's start from here. And this water is so fresh. Now I will apply shampoo.
Meanwhile, I'll wash my face.
Now it's time for conditioner. I will apply this conditioner and keep it for more than 10 to 15 minutes.
Done, done, done. Finally done. So now I'll change my dress and then I will apply some makeup on my face and then I'll go to my friend's house because me and my friends we are planning together and then planning to eat some like rambam and all. Nimina rambam and all. So come, let's go. First I'll make up and after that only I'll change my dress. Hey guys, now I'm going to my friend's house, but before I'll go to a shop and then I'll buy some rambam chips and all, and then only I'll go to my friend's house. But I think I'll end my video here. Only this for today, and today's my video will be very short and then very simple, but I hope you guys like it. Anyway, thank you so much all for watching, and if you're new here and if you like my video, then please do support to my channel, do like, share and comments to my channel. I'll see you all in my another video. Until then, stay safe and bye bye.